Okay, Ayush, I'm actually doing a recording because we rarely have recordings with. See, he's licking you, Ayush. Ayush, my God, can you tell me something about this little guy? We took him for an injection yesterday, right?
Yes, he's so tiny and fun.
Tell me something about Henry.
If you jiggle his tummy, it actually jiggles.
Yeah, but why do you like Henry more than the other rabbits that we've ever had?
It's just, it's so like,
Male boy rabbits tend to be more affectionate, I feel.
he's so like lumpy. Like if you, cause
He's
he walk,
licking
he sometimes walks and tumbles.
you.
He sometimes puts his feet on the bowl which we feed him in. And then sometimes he accidentally fails
He's
to do
licking
that.
you,
So
Ayush.
then he just puts his hands in the water.
Really, that is cute. See how he's looking at baby. Mommy ka raja.
Henry is coming to eat you.